Welcome. In 60 seconds, I'll show how to clear Safari cache and cookies on Mac. Step 1. Open Safari from your dock or the Applications folder. Step 2. Click Safari in the menu bar, then choose Preferences. Step 3. Select the Privacy tab at the top of the Preferences window. Next, click Manage Website Data to view stored cookies and cache. Step 4. Click Remove All to delete everything shown in the list. When a confirmation appears, click Remove Now to proceed. Safari will remove the data. This may take a few seconds. This clears cookies and local cache but leaves bookmarks and passwords intact. To remove specific sites only, select them and click Remove instead of Remove All. Quick recap: Safari, Preferences, Privacy, Manage Website Data, Remove All. Done. You're all set. Subscribe for more quick Mac tips.